number 4-90K. It's a 1999 Chevy Suburban LT 4-wheel drive. It's got the 5.7 liter L31 and the M34 L60E transmission. There is a check engine light on. There's a bunch of stuff going on. 205, 410 for the mileage. Motor seems to run okay. I don't know how well you're going to be able to see this in the rain. Get a bunch of codes, but basically they all equal out to, there's evap codes, O2 sensors, EGR, fuel pressure, some type of a computer issue, and the CAT code. It's all, you know, I'm thinking directly related to, I wouldn't be surprised if this thing needs a couple of injectors, an EGR valve, some O2s, and probably has an evap leak, and probably a brain. It is a little bit corroded underneath the hood, you know, where the brain is. But, I mean, it seems to go okay, so let's try it out and see. Transmission shifts nice and butter smooth. No, oops, there goes my clipboard. No big issues that way. Even the brakes aren't that bad. Goes into reverse nice, no slamming or clunking. Yeah, I mean, no surprises on this stuff. I do get an antifreeze smell out of this thing. But the radiator is leaking, so that corroded out, so that's why that's happening. A couple of antifreeze jugs and stuff like that in here, but I mean, I've had it running for a little while. It's a tiny bit over the 210 mark, but you know, for these older L31s, most of the ones that I see here are usually running right around the same, so I don't think this is overheating. There's no temperature lights or anything of that nature. I think it's just, you know, these things, they have a hot thermostat in them anyway, so. Alright, I'll show you a pic of the motor in a sec. And there's the motor. Nice and quiet, no knocks or noises or anything else like that. It doesn't smoke out the tailpipe, that's just a little bit of steam. It's kind of humid and cold today. The exhaust does not smell like antifreeze. But, we do have a leak down there. Actually, it looks like that's the oil cooler. I think somebody put a different radiator than supposed to be in here in this thing is what happened. And it's not exactly faring too well, and they just bypassed the oil cooler, which isn't a good idea, but that's fine. And like I said, the computer is kind of corroded, so wouldn't be surprised if that is the issue for that code anyway, maybe some of the other ones. But all in all, the motor itself looks like it's a good deal. Transmission shifts fine. No codes for the transmission, no codes for the transfer case, and that cycle's just fine. So I think we're going to be all right for the drivetrain.